There's some specific vocabulary we use when we're talking in the perfect tense. We have the word for and we have the word since. We're gonna use for when we're talking about a duration of time, and since, we're gonna use since to talk about that beginning point in time. Not necessarily a specific beginning point, but that beginning point of time that makes it relevant today. I'm an American. I live here in Brazil. I have lived here for 10 years. So the duration of time that I lived here is for 10 years. Now let's change it up. I have lived in Brazil since 2009. You see? I changed the sentence structure a little bit. When I use since, I give a starting point. When I use for, I use the time. Both sentences mean the same thing. I have lived here for 10 years. I have lived here since 2009. Okay? So let me tell you something. Get out there and practice your English. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Remember, like I always say, making mistakes is part of the process. If you're not making mistakes, you're not trying. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Mr. Finn, and I'll catch you later.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Hey, what's going on? Subscribe now. I don't understand the delay. And don't forget to check out more videos over here, and I'll see you on the next one.